Hello, my name is Jose Saul. I am a student at the Millennium University majoring in Industrial Energy. This is my presentation of evidence two for the effective presentation workshop. Yeah, the November 14 in your presentation. Class productivity and effectiveness. Technology is part of life. Presentation demand recurse and key informed. What it and who does it helps. Yeah, optimization not replace. Application that perform complex tasks all prevision require human input. All is now a substitute for humans. Again, to optimization work. It's about making presentation. Content and text with AI, idea generation and the text. Two ChatGPT, a progression platform. I the version question and provide a variety for of information. Explain time concept and hit with the information apa. Decide and images with IA. Unique imagen autodesign. Imagen 2 Daily e-fu generation generate imagen using AI. You create a unique imagen through natural language. Presentation 2 Tumi.app create AI power presentation for request topic. Your roles is key. The limit is imagination to let's do and refactors with your presentation. Invented to deceive your performance and speech. And these two to make your daily life sounder and more productive. Imagination is the only limit. Conclusion. Argument present let avoid the information of art and yeah in organizing your work and within effective presentation. Use technology to modify your presentation and be more efficient. Thank you. Your